Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
This one I want to leave pretty damp, and I'm gonna make it into a spiral, but the whole point of this one is to leave a whole bunch of white.
Whole bunch of white.
Not a whole bunch, but
A little bit.
instead of all of the colors running together or having black as our base color, this one should leave a fair amount of white.
Sounds very interesting.
I had to save it for one of our thicker shirts. And you just add less dye than you normally would.
I see.
To,
You just do one side of it?
no, you do both sides.
Nice.
Well, I guess we could leave a side white and see how that turns out.
I've wanted to do that.
Let's do it. Because then I bet the colors would go through to the other
Bleed
side.
through? Oh, yeah, they
like
will.
we did the black. Let's try it out, Daddy. Why
Let's
not?
go for it.
Okay, so in this one, we're gonna use, let's see, dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Good old dragon fruit.
Oh wait, oh wait, I meant to do orange.
Deep orange. Lemon yellow.
This is glacier.
Glacier blue. Lavender. Deep purple.
Deep purple to finish her off.
So all told on this one, we have dragon fruit, deep orange, lemon yellow, glacier blue, lavender, and deep purple. What a color combo. So I'd go a little more on the dragon fruit there for sure, since we're only going to do the one side. Make sure you get the edge real good, you know. And I would do a little more on the orange.
I was trying to leave a bunch of white.
I mean, since we're only dyeing the one side, I figure there's going to be a bunch of white no matter what. You know what I mean? It's just the edge that needed it, not the rest, you know. Same with the yellow, like the very edge needs it. That's it. That's a beautiful dye. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dye. Lavender.
Should be
And
good.
there's some beautiful colors. To the drying rack?
To the drying rack. Hold on, wait.
Like we said earlier, people were only going to do one side of this one. We normally do both sides, but on this one we're only doing the one. So
Trying to see how this style turns out.
to the drying rack. Top shelf for a premium tie-dye, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.